Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO A1 and let me show you how to add or remove Google account on this device. So at first, open the settings. Then find and select accounts and choose the account that you want to remove. So then click on more icon, and if you truly want to get rid of this account, just select remove account. Tap on remove account to confirm and tap on OK. Provide your fingerprint if you have one. You can also use the pattern, and that's it. As you can see, the account is no longer connected with your device. Then whenever you want to add Google account again, just open users and accounts, select add account and click on Google. Now provide your email address or phone number and click on next. Now it's time to enter the password, so let me do it off the screen. And as only it is entered, click on next. Okay, so I went back. Let me enter the password one more time. And now tap on next. And now mark if this device is yours or if it's your kiddos. Then agree with all the terms and conditions. Wait a couple of seconds. Here you can manage Google services. And that's it. As you can see, it has been added. So here you've got your account. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.